Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Haitian-style quinoa. First, it's crucial to rinse your quinoa thoroughly. This step removes the natural bitter coating, called saponin, ensuring a much better taste. Place your quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for at least 2 minutes, or until the water runs clear. This simple preparation makes all the difference. Next, we build our flavor base. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pot over medium heat. Add finely diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Then, incorporate diced bell peppers and your favorite fresh herbs like thyme or parsley. Cook these vegetables for 3 to 5 minutes until they are softened and their aromas fill your kitchen. This creates a rich foundation. Now, let's cook the quinoa. Add your thoroughly rinsed quinoa to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth or water for every 1 cup of dry quinoa you're using. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. The liquid should be fully absorbed, and the quinoa will be fluffy. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it sit, covered, for 5 minutes. Then, gently fluff the quinoa with a fork to separate the grains. Serve your delicious Haitian-style quinoa warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. It pairs wonderfully with many dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.